What's going on, traders? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. My name is Darius, and today I would like to show you two full breakdown analysis for the EURJPY and for the GBPJPY. I'm going to use for that my supply demand technique. As you all know, I don't like that normal retail trader stuff like support resistance and stuff like this. Of course, I also use support resistance, but a little bit different, so I already explained it over here on TradingView. Yes, it is this post over here about the Wyckoff. So for example, the Wyckoff really explains my kind of thinking of the market. The theory says that you should handle like the whole market is controlled by one man, and this one man is going to do everything that he's going to have the biggest bags in this market. So that means whenever we are going to face a level of resistance, when a lot of retail traders are looking to short the market or also to buy it, because if the market will break out, then you're going to see a lot of breakout traders come into the market. Then you will see movements like this, that the market will simply just fake through the level of resistance, getting all the people out who were on short, and then went all the way to the downside, and all the breakout traders are going to enter that trade because of a break plus retest, and the market will just go through it, clearing everybody. And this is kind of the thing which I'm looking for. I'm looking to put exactly my entry over here where most of the retail traders are going to put their stop loss, because stop losses are liquidity in the market. And yeah, this is kind of thing which I teach. This is kind of the thing which I share also over here in my inner circle. So all my trades are based on that concept over here about liquidity. And yeah, if you're interested to join me, then check out over here the link for the inner circle. Here is the public Telegram channel to not miss any new updates. And also, if you don't have the time to make your trades by your own, then just head over here to copy fix for automated cover system. And also over here, if you're looking for a good broker, definitely check out mine. I'm about 2 years with the broker, and also the broker is currently running a challenge of 1 million, so every trader can win up to 20k every single month. And if you have any questions about that, you can simply just also write me a private message on Telegram. Okay, and the inner circle has so far 80R plus in just 4 months, so this is crazy result. We use it with a risk management of 3%, but it's up to you. You can do it by your own. With the compound effect, you will have here a pretty good result after 4 months. So guys, let's get it right into the analysis, starting with the EURJPY from the monthly time frame. Of course, I'm doing always a top-down analysis, starting with the higher time frames, going down to the lower ones, looking for some confirmations that every single time frame is showing me the same direction. This is kind of my strategy that I use. It's one of my concepts. And what we can see over here is, if we're having a look on this whole environment, we can see that the market previously went from here all the way to the upside, then in deeper correction. Right now it broke out to the upside. So on this context over here, the EURJPY is overall bullish. We can spot over here a strong W formation, impulse correction, and impulse, and currently we can expect the market to go up higher. How far can we expect? Well, we have here several targets. We can use, for example, this level of resistance. In this case, that would be definitely a very interested level for, yeah, potential long take profit levels. Looking at this area, but of course we can go easily up higher. So overall, from my point of view, EURJPY is super bullish, and we can easily exceed those levels. But currently for us, that's a nice amount of pips that we know, okay, the market should go up right now till the 1.32. However, the possibility is currently also here that we're going to get a nice correction after this impulse. Okay, this is what the market always is going to do: impulse, and then afterwards followed by a correction. But currently we do not have any sign of pressure from sellers that the market is going to drop to the downside. Okay, because I would like to see the market testing the structure before going up even higher, but we could easily hit that level first before moving lower. We're going to determine this one right now from the lower time frames. Now have a look on the weekly. Weekly super impulsing to the upside, and I expect we're going to push up even higher. Only at the moment when the market will close as a bearish candle like over here, we can expect some sort of retracement. And specifically, I would like to see then, based on this impulse lag over here, a retracement at least till 0.382, but we can go anytime lower. Okay, let's have a look on the daily. Yeah, on the daily, we took an inner circle nice trade. I mean, I think it was last week, and I'm not sure if it was last week. We took a nice long trade from here, from the bottom to the top, and the plan was that we're going to hold it till this level of resistance. But I noticed that we had over here on the lower time frames strong area of supply exactly at this area, and this is why I didn't hold that position over this whole consolidation. As you can see, that was a huge consolidation, and I was looking at it as a reaccumulation phase. Now here a little bit of introduction about market phases. Here you have the accumulation phase. The market will go crazy to the upside. Institutions had started here to accumulate the positions. I recognized that pattern over here, and I took a nice long from here for the movement to the upside. During this reaccumulation phase, I was not that interested because of, yeah, the market was very spiky, very ranging. I don't like that setups. But then the market went up even higher, exactly like my take profit was planned, and that would have hit also my final take profit. But yeah, we closed it over here with a plus of 6R, and I was super happy with that. And where I did close it was exactly here at those wicks, so that was pretty nice take profit level. Yeah, what can we expect right now from this market? Well, actually, sooner or later, I would like to see here a correction. Why? Because look here, market is impulsing, correcting, impulsing, correcting, impulsing, correcting, impulsing, correcting, and so on. And right now, our job is, because of we can see here this W formation, is to monitorize the market for a potential correction. Now, what you can do in this case on the EURJPY is that you can easily go for a nice short as soon as the market will from here switch from a bullish market to a bearish market. You can go for a nice short, and then afterwards immediately into a nice long. Okay, that's kind of my training idea on the EURJPY, as we wanted to see from the higher time frames that the market will just go up higher with this bullish trend. Okay, so overall, if you're not sure where you should take the short, probably don't take it. It's better for you to just monitorize the market during the movement to the downside and to look over here for the market to go then afterwards bullish. Okay, and in this case we can easily expect a retracement till the 0.618, and then from there going for a nice long all the way to the upside. All across this area we have also demand plus support resistance, so everything is perfect in alignment, and this is why I wanted to share with you this kind of setup in today's YouTube video, because definitely some of you will be happy to know that information right now, that this market should go up higher. And now here a very important information: don't look to buy the EURJPY at this level over here. This is something what most of the retail traders are going to do. They are going to put their buy orders exactly over here, and you will see that the market will go down lower before afterwards giving you this kind of movement. Okay, this is kind of thing which you will see over and over again, because the real level where the price is interested to return is, in this case here, the 0.382 will be the first one, and as you can see, even the 0.382 is below that level of resistance. Now, me personally, I do not expect that the 0.382 will be the initial level for the market to continue with the up move, but what I do expect is that we're going to test one of those three levels for sure. From my personal experience, I would say, yeah, in this case, the 0.5 or the 0.618 in that area. But of course, 0.382 would be also a very interesting level to buy it as soon as the price is going to give us the final price action confirmation. This is what I'm going to do in the lower time frames to specify my entry scales. This is how I get the big risk reward, like a 1 to 6 on the EURJPY previously. Now guys, let's continue with the GBPJPY. Now here, from the monthly time frame, I told you that this market should go down for a retracement. Of course, it needs to go for a retracement sooner or later, but the thing is that on the lower time frames and basically on any single time frame, this market is still bullish. Okay, I told you in the last YouTube video that I expect the correction, but it's not possible to get in that short right now. It's not possible. Why? Because of the market is not showing any weaknesses. Look at this monthly candle currently, not even a wick. So this is crazy. This is nothing. So where I'm looking currently for a potential retracement is right now the next important level, which is the 155. Okay, you can see it's pretty nice level of resistance. Plus, in addition, it is at this area of structure slash supply. So this whole thing over here is, from my point of view, super interesting for a potential short afterwards. Okay, something like this. Right now, I don't know how far we're going to go. We need to see then from the lower time frame some sort of retracement and confirmations. Now, right now, bullish. Okay, monthly is super bullish. Let me check the weekly time frame. Yeah, look at this. That's crazy, man. That's really crazy. Look at this. That's a big expansion to the upside, and currently we're facing an institutional level around that one. So I'm looking here definitely for some short possibilities. Okay, keep in mind possibilities. The next one will be exactly the 155, like we already determined it on the monthly. So here, definitely interesting for me. I can spot two levels. Okay, two levels of supply where I'm interested for the market to give us this kind of movement to the downside. Right now, our job is from the lower time frames to see, are we going to respect this level or this level, or are we going to push through that level for a fake out before market will give us a movement to the downside. Well, let's see. From a lower time frames right now, from the daily, you can see that the market here all the way up went in this correction impulses to the upside, and right now we're in the last impulse lag. What I would like to see right now from the EURJPY is to give us another retracement to the downside. However, that will be the structure level which the market would test, but it could go up higher, giving us afterwards only a correction and then moving up higher. Okay, so also the day, look at the last daily candle close, not even a wick, nothing. That's super bearish, bullish. Sorry. Yeah, 4 hours is giving you proper retracements. Look at this. So this whole thing over here, always proper retracements. Everything looks good. Right now, what you can do is to look also for a potential longing opportunity. Let me specify an area. Well, that one over here. Look at this. Whenever the market will face that one, you can take right now different techniques out here for the retracement. I'm going to use it like this. I would be interested in the 0.5 in this case. So if the market will go down lower in this case to hit the 0.5, looking for a buying opportunity would be nice. Or look for a break of this whole thing over here, retest, and then going for a nice short. Also a possibility. Okay, I'm just showing you right now what we can do. I cannot predict the future, guys, that's not possible, but I can predict what the market can do. Okay, you always have two sides in the market. You have the buyers and you have the sellers, and those who have the most liquidity will push the price to the upside or to the downside. Okay, that's going to be the case. You have only those two options, so you should look for those setups. Okay, looking for those setups. We know overall bullish for sure, but look at this. At this point, financial institutions, they took some profit, and this is when the market went all the way to the downside. And then look here, exactly at the level of demand, they rejoined the market and they faked out through this level as well. But look at this, that was a support resistance level where all the retail traders were looking to buy the market, and the market was just faking through this level, and we as a supply demand traders, we took exactly over here our entry and we rocked it all the way to the upside. That's the main difference, but I have another video like I already explained to you at the beginning of that one, so you can still click on that info card to the right corner and you can watch it. Okay guys, that was my idea for the EURJPY and the GBPJPY. I hope you enjoyed that one. Please leave a thumbs up if you like it, and right now you have the options to leave a subscribe button over here to my channel, and here some new videos. Okay guys, then see you next time. Bye bye.